How's it going, everybody? This is a quick one. I have a video coming up on torque tube installation, and I've been asked on how to demonstrate how these are packaged, because there's a way that they're packaged to save a little bit on shipping, and where to get them. In case your torque tube needs its mount and its bearing and its cup replaced, I'll have that video up here later this evening. And then I have more stuff coming. I'm still working on the LS in the Brazilian car. It's almost to the point where that engine's done, and where it's going to sit. And I have it pretty well happy. I got a transmission tunnel to work on. Scooter here is still here, but Scooter is also, let me get a better shot of Scooter. Scooter is also just about ready to go home. I have some metal here I needed to finish up the wheel bearings and things. Then my personal cars are out here getting done. That one's the one getting the torque tube and the brakes and the gas gauge repair, and that one might still make it somewhere this year, but probably not till later this summer. And tentatively, this one is sold, but it's on a deal where I get to buy it back. So we'll see how that goes. There's been lots of things happen here that I won't get into on my YouTube channel. It's a bunch of personal family stuff that it's crazy. But either way, it's prompting some changes. So we're not going anywhere. It's just taking me a little bit longer to get back to where I can do a video and we can get back to rolling on things. So here we are. I'll see you guys for the full length videos here real soon.